How to join two videos together in CapCut. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join two videos together in CapCut. Whether you are creating a seamless edit or a fun mashup, this is super easy to do. So let's jump right into it. First, open the CapCut app and create a new project. Select the videos you want to join by tapping Add from a gallery where both videos will now appear on your timeline. To join the videos, simply drag them on the timeline so they are placed one after the another. CapCut automatically connects them so you don't need to worry about gaps. To make the transition between two videos smoother, tap on the small box between the clips on the timeline, which opens the transition menu. Choose a transition style you like and adjust its duration for the perfect effect. Once your videos are joined, tap the play button to review your work. If you are happy with the result, tap Export at the top right to save your project. And that's it. Joining two videos in CapCut is super simple, and now you are ready to create awesome edits. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.